Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see your Instagram password. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Forgetting your Instagram password is easily done. Apps on your iPhone or Android devices make access easier for you by keeping your login all the time. But if you have to log out and can't remember your password or can't access it with so many social media sites out there all requiring password, it can be hard to keep track of them all. So how to do it? It's so simple. To check your Instagram password, it's so simple. So first, as you can see in here on your Instagram app, there's no option to check to see your password in here. So where to find it to see your Instagram password account? It's so simple. So you can just open your settings on your phone. Now you can just scroll down. There is an option Google. There, just tap on that. From here, you can just choose on the email that you use on your Instagram account. Maybe this one. For example, we change to this one. Now after that, you can just choose on password manager. You can just tap on that. So here's you can check your Instagram. Here's I have 7 accounts. You can just tap on that. Enter your biometrics screen lock. So here's you can just choose on the account, your Instagram account that you want to see the password. As you can see in here, I have 7 accounts Instagram that's safe in here. You can just tap on the AI icon in here. You can just copy and paste. It's so simple, right? So that is how to check your Instagram password. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.